Hello all, welcome to my channel. I'm Neelima. Today I'm going to share the recipe of delicious raw banana vada, which can be consumed as a snack or with rice, just as we consume any other curry, or as a side dish with rasam rice or sambar rice. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to cooking. Here I took 4 raw bananas, the weight of which is equal to 600 grams. Wash them thoroughly. Cut the upper and lower stems as being shown. Then peel them. Chop them into big pieces as being shown. We need not make them into small pieces. I'm doing the same for all the 4 raw bananas. Then transfer them into a vessel, pressure cook, soft, for which we need to add very little water. Here I added just 50 ml water. We just need to provide little moisture for the vegetable to get boiled. See, after 3 whistles on medium flame, these are the boiled pieces. I am checking some pieces, they are soft. Now transfer the mixing vessel. Mash them with hand or masher. It's obvious that we cannot use our hand because the pieces are very hot, but not into a very soft mixture. Let some small pieces remain to add crunch to vada. We have to make sure that we find few small pieces of boiled raw banana. Now the next step is, for spice, take 4 to 5 green chilies, 2 inches ginger in a mixer jar, grind them, add the paste to the raw banana mixture. To make vadas or patties, we need some binding agent, for which we use rice flour. We use 2 spoons rice flour. If the mixture is loose or flowing for any reason, we may add little more rice flour. Add salt as needed. Mix all the ingredients together. Mixture should be stiff like this. Add quarter spoon asafoetida and mix. This can be added to the mixture along with ginger and green chili paste too. Now take a small portion, pat like a vada with fingers as being shown. It should be neither thick nor thin. Adjust the cracked edges. Deep fry in hot oil on both sides on medium flame. Drop as many vadas as the wok would fit in. Once one side gets fried, flip and let the other side also get fried. Due to the gap the small pieces of cooked banana create in the mixture, vadas come out really light. Flip and fry both sides. Use a tissue paper to absorb extra oil. See, they are golden brown now. The delicious banana vadas, raw banana vadas are done. If you like this recipe, please try. Share your feedback in the comment section. You may pass it on to your friends or relatives. Give a big thumbs up if you like it. And please do subscribe to my channel.